Correctly fixing reconciliation discrepancies in QuickBooks Online is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Go to the Accounting menu and select Reconcile under the Tools section. Choose the account with the reconciliation discrepancy and click Resume Reconciling to access the reconciliation report. Review the reconciliation report to identify any discrepancies between your bank statement and QuickBooks records. Look for transactions that are marked as cleared but don't appear on your bank statement or vice versa. Pay attention to the beginning and ending balances, cleared transactions, and any discrepancies in amounts or dates. Compare the list of cleared transactions in QuickBooks with your bank statement. Ensure that all cleared transactions in QuickBooks are also cleared on your bank statement. Verify that the amounts and dates of cleared transactions match between QuickBooks and your bank statement. If there are uncleared transactions in QuickBooks that should be cleared, review them to ensure they were entered correctly and match your bank statement. Look for duplicate transactions, incorrect dates, or transactions that were incorrectly marked as cleared. Double-check the beginning balance entered for the reconciliation period to ensure it matches the beginning balance on your bank statement. Similarly, verify the ending balance in QuickBooks matches the ending balance on your bank statement. If you find discrepancies, make adjustments in QuickBooks to correct them, adding missing transactions that were omitted during reconciliation, deleting duplicate or incorrect transactions, editing transaction dates or amounts to match your bank statement, reconciling transactions that were previously uncleared but should be cleared. Once you've made adjustments, go back to the reconciliation screen and click Resume Reconciling. Review the reconciliation report again to ensure all the discrepancies have been resolved and that the beginning and ending balances match your bank statement. Reconcile the account again by marking all cleared transactions and completing the reconciliation process. Keep a record of the changes you made during the reconciliation process, including any adjustments, deletions, or corrections to transactions. Documenting changes helps maintain an accurate audit trail and ensures transparency in your financial records. Schedule regular reconciliations in QuickBooks Online to catch and correct discrepancies early. Review financial reports regularly to monitor account balances, transaction activity, and overall financial health.